Hi, AC Williams here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys what a $300,000 house looks like in Accra, Ghana. This area is Tema Community 23 and it's close to East Legon Hills. So come with me. First of all, this place is a gated community and I love it because we have 24-hour security and gated gates for your own house. So let's take note of this place where you can park about 2 to 3 cars depending on the sizes of the cars, and we have enough greenery at this side. So we are taking note of the environment as well as developers and as realtors for you. Let's go inside. So to the inside of this building, you are met with your living space, which I love because look at these colors. Like, you wouldn't get this anywhere, like anywhere. And the decor is top notch. So to this side, we have like a green, brown, neutral colors here with like your carpet space, your carpet with your center table and a TV stand and a TV area as well. I love the interior decor so much and I think you also love it too. Let's go on to the dining space. For the dining space, we have like a brown neutral color like thing going on here as well for the theme of this area. This place is a 6-seater dining set as well as like enough space for any other things you want to do around it. And to the side of the dining space, we have an island because we have like an open space kitchen to this side. We have an island where you can sit and chill whilst cooking with like your friends or your family and loved ones. And to the fully fitted kitchen, we can see like we have like our double door fridge. We have like a microwave, oven and whatnot over here as well. Lovely. And there's enough storage in this kitchen. Like, we have enough storage for everyone, like all your things. Also the ventilator is to this side for the stove, as well as like a 5-set or a 5-head stove as well. So I love this area so much, and like, this is luxury, guys. This is luxury. Let's go to the balcony. From the kitchen, you have enough space for the barbecue, you know, December period, if you want to like just sit and chill, or like holiday period, sit and chill with your friends. This is enough space and it's so airy here, like I don't know what to leave, but there's AC inside, so let's go in. Also, this space is like a storage space. Every house needs a storage space, so you can store things over here. Okay, so let's go upstairs now. Also, let's take note that this is a 3-bedroom house and it also has a guest washroom. So let's go downstairs. We have one room here, so let me just show you. So this is the first room downstairs. This is a cute room with a lovely bed and like durable furnitures, like the stand, the lamp, this wardrobe, and this wardrobe is built in, so it's like you can keep enough things here. So if this is a family house, your child can be here, or you can have a guest in here as well, and your child can be upstairs with you. And this place has a washroom where you can, you know, freshen up, look good, smell good, have a nice time. So this is the washroom space. It comes with enough room for like showering and also like your WC and your sink holder, like everything you need in a washroom. Like, just think about it, it's here. And as I mentioned, 3.5, so we have guest bathroom here. So your guests are always welcome to use this bathroom if you don't want them to go into your rooms, and they can look good as well. So I love it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends to see this place. And you know, if you've been thinking or wondering what a $300,000 house looks like in Accra, Ghana, this is what it looks like. Let's go upstairs now. So going upstairs, the hall is high ceiling, so like you can see, you can never get into the ceiling. Like, oh my god, it screams luxury. I'm sorry, it screams luxury. And the rails are glass framed, and I think it's lovely. So to this space, when you climb upstairs, you have like an open space where you can do anything. It's been designed for like family time. So some families want to have like their own separate hall or living space from where they take their guests, and this is something like that you can use for something like that, or you can change it to whatever you want to use it for. So we have this wall, this beautiful wall here for like anything you want to, but like I think it's really pretty. It's like beautiful with touches and finishes of like elegance over here. I love it so much. With like spotlights, like it's giving rich. It's giving rich. So let's go in here to the next room. So this is the second room. It's also cute. Also has like the wood finish, but this one has like a lighter tone to it. And like this bed, I love it. And for the downstairs room, I made mention that the wardrobe was built in, but this wardrobe isn't built in. So you can move this wardrobe if you do not want it in your room. So I think this is good for like travelers. If you want to like put a traveler in here, someone who came to visit, you can use this room as well. Also take note that all the places have like ACs here, so don't worry about that. No need for a standing fan. All right, now to the last room, like the master bedroom. Come. So this is the master bedroom. Like the owner of the house has to have this room. Like if you pay the dollars, stay in this room. So we have a balcony where you have like your own little something there to have time with your loved ones here. There's enough space for everyone over here. Like just imagine you're chilling here with your loved one or your family and friends. Just think about it. You have a view of everything that's happening as well in the community from here, from your balcony. Like, isn't it screaming luxury? It is. Come with me. Let's go inside now to see the other things that comes with the master bedroom. So with the master bedroom, we have a walk-in closet. It's not built in, it's a walk-in. So we have enough space for him and her. You know, if you're here with your partner, if you're here alone, everything is like made for you, like enough space. And also we have our washroom, our bathroom. In fact, this is not a washroom, this is a bathroom, because look at the bath. So we have a bath here. This can take about 2 to 3 people depending on their sizes. Anyway, let's enter our standing bathtub area for the washroom as well. So you have the option to choose between the bathtub and the standing, where you can like have a good shower with more people if you'd want. And also the water closet as well for the wash. For the masters is also so cute, so lovely. I like the style in this washroom so much as well. I think it's given luxury, it's given rich in this washroom too as well. So yeah, this is it for the 3-bedroom house. It's located at Tema Community 23, close to East Legon Hills. I love it so much. So yeah, I also forgot to make mention about the big mirror it comes with. So once you come out of your standing, your walk-in closet, you have a big mirror facing you for your outfit checks and whatnot. So love it. If you're interested in this apartment, click the link in the description box and it will take you straight to buy it. All right, see you later. Share, subscribe. Bye.